All right, so have you ever spent hours on a PowerPoint and then you open it up on someone else's computer
Uh-huh.
and bam, all the fonts are messed up. But hey, that's what we're diving into today.
That's right. No more font
We
fails.
found this super helpful guide online. The guide basically gives us two main methods for dealing with this. Embedding fonts and converting text to images. Let's start with this whole embedding fonts thing. It sounds kind of techy.
Yeah, it can be a bit intimidating if you're not familiar with it.
So in simple terms, what does it actually do?
Okay, so basically, when you embed a font, you're packaging those specific fonts directly into your PowerPoint file.
Okay.
So it's like you're creating a portable font library that travels with your slides wherever they go.
That makes sense.
So that way, no matter what computer you open it on, it doesn't matter what fonts they have installed because it has its own little set.
Love it. What are our other options?
Well, that's where converting text to images comes in.
Okay. Images.
This is especially helpful if you're using really unique fonts, decorative fonts, things like that. It's basically like taking a high-resolution snapshot of your text.
So it captures the exact font, the size, the style.
Exactly. And then the best part is that text becomes part of the image itself. So again, it doesn't matter what fonts the other computer has.
Because it's just seeing a picture.
It's just a picture.
Okay, that is clever.
Right.
So to kind of sum things up for everyone, we've got these two awesome solutions for dealing with those pesky font issues in PowerPoint.
Right. Embedding and converting to images both have their own pros and cons.
Exactly. And which one you choose depends on things like, file size, whether you need to edit it later, and even, font licensing.
Yeah, got to cover all your bases.
Absolutely. All right. Thanks for joining us for another deep dive, everyone. We'll catch you next time.